If you're looking to integrate Navan with your expense management software and need to get the most out of both tools, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the essential steps for seamlessly integrating Navan with your expense management software, as well as some key insights on how this can streamline your expense workflows. Stick around, because I'll also share how you can try this software completely free with some exclusive bonuses. Navan is an advanced platform designed to automate and simplify your business travel and expense management. It's particularly useful for streamlining travel bookings and expense reporting. And when you integrate it with your expense management software, you can expect everything from travel expenses to receipts to be handled automatically. The first step to this integration is ensuring your expense management software is compatible with Navan. Popular options like Expensify, SAP Concur, and Certify work particularly well with Navan. To begin the integration, you'll typically start in the Navan dashboard. From here, navigate to the integration section, which is usually found under Settings. Once you're in the integration section, you'll want to find the option for Expense Management. This is where you can connect Navan to your preferred software. If your software is supported, you'll just need to follow the prompts to link both systems. You'll need to grant permissions for data to flow between them, which ensures that expense reports and receipts can be imported directly from Navan into your expense management software. One of the key benefits of this integration is how it automatically generates expense reports for travel-related purchases. With this in place, employees don't need to manually enter travel expenses anymore. Expenses related to flights, hotels, car rentals, and even meals can be tracked automatically, making the reconciliation process much faster and error-free. After your integration is complete, it's essential to configure the specific expense categories in your expense management software. This ensures that expenses from Navan are categorized correctly, and your accounting team can easily track where the money is going. Custom categories can be set up, and depending on your software, you might be able to set spending limits or enforce company policies related to travel spending. If you're new to Navan, you should know it offers real-time visibility into your company's travel and expense data. And it can help you save both time and money by offering smart solutions like policy enforcement and automatic cost-saving recommendations. The ability to integrate with your existing expense management software gives you complete control, streamlining the entire process from booking to reimbursement. What's really powerful about this integration is how it removes the need for manual entry and gives you accurate, actionable insights. Imagine being able to track all your travel-related expenses in one place without ever having to dig through spreadsheets or receipts again. This setup makes reporting more efficient, accurate, and compliant with company policies. Now, before we wrap up, don't forget to check the first link in the description for your exclusive and extended free trial of Navan and expense management software. This trial will give you full access to the integration features and much more, letting you experience the ease and efficiency for yourself at absolutely no cost. You can get started right away and see just how much time you'll save by integrating Navan with your expense management system. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've just unlocked a chance to try these tools for free. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify and improve your business's travel and expense management today.